Hi, I'm Jenna, and in this quick video, I'll walk you through how to use your new PBT curriculum. The idea behind the curriculum is to make it simple for teachers and studios to schedule PBT into their program, and to give anyone training at home a clear structure to follow. Each level, from sub-junior to advanced, is split into 4 10-week terms. Within each term, you'll have a new PBT class each week, plus a PBT warm-up session you can use before another class. At senior and advanced levels, you'll also get a dedicated recovery session. Every class is unique, no repeats, so you'll always be working with fresh content. When working through it, you'll discover hundreds of new exercises that have been specially created for the curriculum. If you're a teacher running multiple groups, you can start as many separate curriculums as you need. Name them and track each group's progress individually. Or you can simply start a curriculum for yourself. When launching a new curriculum, you'll choose a start date for the first term. The system will then automatically set the start dates for each new term spaced 12 weeks apart. That's 10 weeks of classes and a 2-week break. You can adjust these dates to fit your school calendar or your personal schedule. If you're not following an official timetable, you don't need to stick strictly to these dates. They're there to guide you. We do recommend keeping to 10 weeks on, 2 weeks off to get the best results from PBT. All your scheduled classes will appear in your calendar. You can launch them directly from there or go to Curriculum and click Resume to continue where you left off. If you need to reschedule, just change the date in the calendar and start the class when you're ready. Whenever you complete a class video, it will be marked as complete. If you've followed the class in another way, for example, by using the app to swipe through the positions and exercises, you can also manually mark it complete. The curriculum is available on both the PBT website and the PBT app. We hope you enjoy this new way to structure your PBT training and see the benefits it can bring to your classes and practice.